Hi, Ernst here from 93 Animation. Welcome to the fourth video in the IBR rendering series, RenderMan Stylized Looks in Maya. In this scene we've got Dylan Sisson's walking teapot, and we continue where we left off in part 3. Our goal is to change the line thickness and the color per shader in this scene. We already have a stylized setup in this scene, so what we need to do now is make sure that every shader has its individual stylized control. So we go to the hypershade, add two stylized controls, and connect those to the result AOV. We rename them to be able to recognize them in the attribute editor. And that's done. Next thing we need to do is in the display filter, change the line thickness from and the line color from to pattern shader. Depending on your version, this has stylized control or pattern shader. And now let's start rendering. And what you see now is that all the lines have become yellow. That's the default color of the stylized control. With the material picker selected, I can select the pixar surface of the background, go to the utility pattern and switch to the stylized control. Here I have all the control I want for the lines. What I now can do is change the line albedo color, for example to 0.1, 0.2 and 0.6, and you'll see that we get a nice blue color. We'll do the same thing for the lid. We select the lid, it selects the pixel surface, right click to the stylized control, change the color. Let's make a nice color. And again, you'll see that the color changes of the lid during the IPR. Same thing with the pot. Right click, stylized control, and I had a swatch already, so I can select that one. So now we have modified the color of the lines per shader. Now we can do the same thing with the line thickness. So I'll select the line thickness of the pot. Let's make it 2. Line thickness of the lid 2.5, and let's make the background lines a little bit thicker so we can see them clearly. And the lines now become a width of 3. So with this knowledge you can start creating your own renders and have fun. In the next series we'll start hatching. See you then. Cheers.